So guys, today we're going to learn how to change Facebook password without old password, and all you have to do is to launch the Facebook application. And from here, you're going to tap on your news, then you're going to tap on the gear icon, and you're going to tap on seeing more in account center, going to tap on password and security, you're going to tap on change password, and in change password, you're going to choose your account. Finally, if you know the current password that you're using, you're going to input it, and then you're going to put another new password, and the new password that you've put here, you're going to type it here in the face you have gotten in one on it, and it's going to send you a code in either the Gmail address, or you're going to be sent a code in no phone number. Once you've been sent, it's only going to show you the new password, then the edit type new password on a new page. So you're going to only put the new password and then type in the new password that is just below it. And then once you're done, you'll be able to change your password without all the password. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.